Bhuti igama lami uSipho, ngisebenza la ekhaya. Ngibona ngathi udidekile uthi awazi ukuthi uthathe liphi iteki bhuti wami. Mahle omabili ne. Yilipho olithandayo phakathi kwaleli emnyama nale elinokuhlaza. Ngilipho olithandayo. Look bhuti wami, ngizokubuza into eyi-one ne. Ngizokubuza into eyi-one bhuti wami ukuthi you rather spend less uteki ongalithandisisi kahle ubukwe bantu bakhombane ngayo ukuthi ugcoke iteki eli-out, or you'll spend 500 more kuteki elizokwenza ukuthi bonke abantwana bekaso buya kilo beze kuwe bazizele nawe mawugcokeleka nesipanini noma ukuphi bantu bonke babuke wena for a good reason. So kukuwe bhuti wami, angikuforce ukuthi uthathe elidulayo. I just heard you now uthi wena uze no 1.5 lele elinokuhlaza olithandayo liwu-2000. So but just remember your reputation is at stake here. So kube yimi, angisho ukuthi lithathe lele lidurayo, but kube ungimi, I'll take the expensive one, suffer for a month or two, yabo ngidla ipapa namanzi, yabona nje yami. After that bonke abantwana basekase bazizele la ngena khona esipanini wonke umuntu abheke mina ukuthi mina ngidle yabo iteke li-grand eli-top. But kukuwe bhuti wami, angikuforce, ngakunika isikhathi sakho 2 minutes and you think about it.